Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit more photos from the X-T2, and this was the shoot with Natasha. And then let's get started. I'm gonna use the U3 for this one, and then this was the 23mm f1.4 lens, and later I have some picture with the 56mm also. So let me edit this couple one. So this is before and after, slightly reduce the exposure. And then do the 4x5 Instagram crop right here. Okay. And then slightly adjust the lighting in here. So that's before and after. So let me save it. And then next one, let me use the, let's see which one I am going through. I'm gonna use the HB2 for this one. So maybe 60%. Increase the contrast, slightly increase the sharpness in there, and then the highlight save for this one, and then 4x5 crop. Okay, that's good. And then save it. And the next one, it has a similar style. I'm gonna just copy the edit and then paste it to here. So after I paste it, I will adjust the lighting. Let me see. Slightly reduce the exposure, slightly crop it even closer. The right hand side still need to crop a little bit more, so let me crop it more from the right hand side. I think this is good, and let me update the contrast a little bit more, and then save it. Okay, so next one. So I like this direct sunlight also, so let me see which one it has a better mood for this one. I think the E5 is good, and let me go into some other filters. This one is very cold. I want some warm tone for this. The G9 is warm, and let me see this one. I think this one is good. The U3 or the C8 is good too. I think there's another one, C9. Let me go back to here. So C9 has more blue in here. Let me add this one to the favorite. Let's try the C9, see how it goes. I'm gonna reduce the exposure so that it has more mood in the photo. Slightly reduce here. You can see the before and after, and then slightly reduce the cropping. Okay, so that's before and after. Let me see. Okay, so that's good, and then save it. And I'm gonna copy and then paste it to the next one. Okay, so because they are in a similar location and has the same lighting, I don't need to modify a lot of stuff. Okay, so save it. Okay, so let's see what else for this one. So I think the C8 is good too. And if you want C9 just to be consistent, it's good too. So let me try. Just slightly reduce the exposure and then increase the highlight safe, increase the contrast. So I use a C9 as a base for this one also, and then I'm gonna crop 4:5, make it into the center in here. Okay, so slightly increase a bit more, and I can rotate. Okay, so that's good. And then let me save it. Let me double check the cropping. Slightly move to the right a little bit more because the eye is looking toward the right hand side, so I just slightly adjust the right hand side a little bit more. And it depends on the fee, you can adjust them. And this one is was using 56mm f1.2. so let's see what else we can do with this one. We can do HB2 or U2. Let's do HB2 for this one to have higher contrast, and then increase the contrast. Let me do a highlight save for this one. So before and after. Slightly crop the bokeh a little bit down so that it's cleaner from the top, and then slightly crop it in a little bit more. Okay, that's good. And then save it. And let me just play around, use the C9 or the other filter just to see how it goes. It might be too strong of the filter for me. I think I still like the HB2 for this one, because I like the HB2 for this. Okay, so let me copy this one, and this one is darker, so let me paste it and then see how it goes. Oh, I activated this Siri. I think I'm gonna use the U3 for this one and increase the exposure a little bit more for this one, just slightly, because I like the dark tone, the deep dark tone in here. And there's some warm tone on the sky to create some contrast of the whole image. So let me slightly adjust it. I think this is good. Let me still come down a little bit. Okay, so I think this is good. Save it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's editing video, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.